So let me get something here. Explain to me how a photographer is offering unlimited pictures for 100 Kenya shillings. That's less than $1 because $1 is more than 100 bob. How are you going to grow your business by offering unlimited pictures for 100 Kenya shillings? So hi everybody, welcome once again to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, this is the right time to subscribe to the channel. Click on the red subscribe button below and make sure that you also click on the bell icon so that you cannot miss notifications every time we release a new video. So today is a different kind of video and we're talking about pricing because there has been a trend that has been going on where upcoming photographers are giving ridiculous prices, and one of the prices I have seen is photographers are offering unlimited pictures for 100 or 200 or 300 shillings, and it's extremely ridiculous. The question I'm asking here to you who is offering that kind of prices, and also to the one who is watching and I may honor those offers, how are you supposed to run and grow a business or even pay for your gear or buy new gear or improve on your photography or pay for courses by offering 100 shillings to give unlimited photos to clients? How are you going to run that kind of a business? What's happening, guys? Where is that price coming from? How can you sit down and account for me how you have come up with 100 Kenya shillings giving unlimited photos? And I understand the model. The model may be you want a lot of people to come for this event, and then maybe 100 people comes, you have earned 10,000. Yes, I understand the model, but then it does not work that way. 100 shillings is too little to offer unlimited pictures. And there's effect for doing that. Number one effect of you doing those kinds of pricing is, number one, that you will never get bigger clients than those ones. These clients will come, they will get unlimited pictures, but when they get bigger projects like weddings, they'll never call you. Why? You were too cheap. And you know, cheap in the minds of our clients dictates quality. When it's too cheap, it's not of quality. When it's too expensive, it's an overkill. I don't need to spend it. Remember, photography is a luxury product. It's a luxury service. So people spend if they find need. And so that's the number one detriment, is that people will never hire you for bigger projects. Why? Because you have presented yourself as a less valuable person. Number two, you are spoiling for the rest of the other people. When another photographer goes and charges 3,000 for a 1 hour session giving 50 images, or another one 100 images for 10,000 shillings, they will always say, oh, but there are photographers who give, kuna photographer wanatupatianga unlimited pictures with 100 bob. Why are you so expensive? And of course, it's cheap, but then that's not valuable. Photography is extremely valuable. It's all about communication. When you're talking to like corporates or other businesses, it's a form of communication. It's also a form of keeping memories. Memories are special and very valuable. And so photographers need to know that you need to be valued as a person who offers value to the client. That's how you get paid your worth. And so these photographers who are offering 100 Kenya shillings, unlimited photos for 100 Kenya shillings, please stop it, because number one, you are killing yourself. And we'll be talking about prices because we have webinars talking about prices. And there are 4 P's of marketing. Number one is price, promotion, place, and product. So meaning that price is very important. When you have the right price, then you win as a business. When you are the wrong price, too cheap means that you are not experienced and you're not of quality. Too expensive, it's an overkill, and maybe unawachezea ama unawagonga. It's out of desperation. If you have watched the video that we posted last week here, it's somewhere here, about desperation, please let us not be desperate. That's an act of being desperate. You just want that shilling, you just want an extra coin. But having such ridiculous cheap prices will not help you earn the money. In fact, in the long run, it will kill you as a business and as a creative.